Hello guys, welcome to my channel Rant Tech Solution and hope you're having a very fabulous day. And I hope you have liked my previous video of mine, which is Citrix logon process. And if you haven't watched it yet, please subscribe to my channel and go ahead and watch it. You will definitely love it. And in this video series, I'm gonna talk about and I'm gonna demonstrate how we can build our own simple Citrix Lab setup step by step. So let's get started. So this is just an introduction video and it's going to be a small one. So in this video I'm going to talk about my laptop specification and which hypervisor that I'm going to use for this lab setup, and a number of servers that we are going to have and their specifications, and what are all the Citrix topics that I'm going to cover. So I'm using Asus VivoBook ES, and it has Intel i7 8th generation processor, having 16 gigs of RAM, running Windows 10 Professional. And the hypervisor I'm going to use, that's an inbuilt hypervisor, which is Microsoft Hyper-V. And the thing is, it is available only from Windows 10 Professional or Higher Edition. But still, if you're a Windows 10 Home Edition users, you have two options. One is VMware Workstation, but that is paid though. And another choice is Oracle VirtualBox, that is free of cost, and that still gets the work done. And as I told you, it's going to be a simple lab setup. I'm going to have only two servers. One is domain controller. I named it DC, and it's going to have two virtual CPUs and 2 gigs of RAM. And the next server is going to be CTX core, and we are going to install all the components including the VDA on the same single server, and I'm gonna give it 4 vCPUs and 8 gigs of RAM. And it's all going to be built on Windows Server 2019 Evaluation Edition, and you can easily download it from the Microsoft official website, and you will get 180 days of evaluation period. And I'm covering 22 topics, and I don't want to bore you guys by reading all of them one by one, so you can pause the video and then read it yourself. So these are the first 22 topics, and in the next slide I'm showing you the rest of them. Oh man, I love Iron Man. Anyway, how does it feel to build a simple and awesome lab and learn everything you ever wanted to learn on your own? That sounds good, isn't it? But still, hey wait, what if you cannot afford to build a lab? And you don't need to worry about at all, buddies, because I got you covered with my lab setup. That sounds fabulous, isn't it? And thank you so much for watching, and it's really appreciated. Hit like and subscribe, and stay tuned. I'm gonna release all the videos one by one, at least 2 videos in a week. So stay tuned, and God bless you guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.